Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on newsletter and promotions in the Worldpackers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the smiling face button at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the settings section, click on the notifications button. And at the email notifications section, look for the newsletter and promotions button. And if you want to enable email notifications on travel tips, inspiring stories, and upcoming opportunities, then click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns blue, the email notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.